Colony. It's not my fault, Cooper.
I know.
Hi, I'm Chris James, and this is my current Colony blaster build. I'm currently running my signature 21-inch blaster frame in matte blue. I'm also running 30mm offset sweet tooth forks and 8.8 sweet tooth bars. I've got a Colony headset and a Colony square back top loader stem. I'm running my signature blaster pivotal seats and seat post. I'm running a 28 tooth blaster sprocket and 175 Venator cranks. Running the fantastic plastic Colony pedals. I have Colony Wasp hubs with an alloy 9-tooth driver. I'm running Colony contour rims with rainbow spokes. Colony Griplock tires, 2.35 on the front and rear. Thanks for watching my bike build. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments.